Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you the procedure to modify Airbnb reservation. To modify an Airbnb reservation, you just need to follow the steps. What you want to do is open the Airbnb app. You just want to go to your trips on the Airbnb website or an app. So here it is right in center, the trip section. Mine look blank as I've not booked any and this is a newly created account. But in your case, if you've made any sort of reservation or if you had any sort of previous history, you can see the listing right on the section. So you just have to go to the trip section and select the reservation that you want to change. Just go and select the recent reservation that you wish to change, right? Just tap on the change reservation button, modify the date or number of guests and click on the save button. Then you just need to review the new price and tap send request to submit it to your host. So after sending a request, the host approves, and if adding a guest increases the cost, the additional amount will be charged to your original payment method. And you can also send a change request to your host through your trip page even after stay has started. So this way you could modify the Airbnb reservation. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.